Have you ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? What if I told you that it's possible with something called YouTube automation? Imagine creating a YouTube channel that runs by itself, making videos that earn money without you ever showing your face on camera. I'm living proof of this dream. I manage multiple faceless YouTube channels that together rake in over $155,000 every month from ads alone. That's right, over $100,000 a month, just from videos that my computer helps me create and manage. So, if you're curious about how you can start making your own $10,000 a month on YouTube, stick around. I'm going to show you all the steps to get there, and trust me, it's easier than you think. Creating a YouTube channel. Starting your own YouTube channel might sound like a big project, but it's actually pretty simple if you follow these steps. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up your very own YouTube channel from scratch. Step 1. Sign up or log in. First things first, you need a Google account. If you don't have one, it's easy to sign up. If you already have one, just log in. This is important because YouTube is part of Google, and you need this account to create your YouTube channel. Step 2. Create your channel. Once you're logged into YouTube, go to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. A menu will pop up. Look for an option that says Your Channel and click on it. Then, you'll see a button that says Create Channel. Go ahead and click that. Step 3. Set up your channel. Now, you get to pick a name for your channel. Think about what your videos will be about. This can help you decide on a name. For example, if you want to make videos about motivation and life lessons, you might name your channel something like Inspire Daily or Wisdom Waves. After choosing a name, you'll need to add a description to tell people what your channel is about. This is your chance to tell viewers why they should watch your videos. Make it interesting and clear. Step 4. Add a profile picture and banner. Next, you'll add a profile picture and a banner to your channel. These are important because they are the first things people see when they visit your channel. You can create these images yourself or use online tools to help you make something awesome. Why picking a niche is important. Choosing a niche or a main topic for your channel is really important. It's like deciding what kind of book you're writing. For example, if you love sharing ideas about staying positive and thinking deeply, the motivational and philosophical niche might be perfect for you. This helps you attract an audience who are interested in these topics and keeps your channel focused. When you focus on a specific niche, your viewers know what to expect and will likely keep coming back for more if they like your first video. Plus, it's easier to stand out because you become an expert in that area. And you're set. That's it. Once you follow these steps, your channel is ready to go. Now, it's time to start making content that can inspire and teach others. Using AI for channel names and descriptions. AI tools can make starting a YouTube channel much easier by helping you find the perfect name, write a great description, and even design a profile picture. Finding a channel name with AI, a strong channel name helps people remember you. To get ideas, use ChatGPT. Simply type, "Suggest creative names for a YouTube channel about motivation and philosophy." The AI will generate several names like Mindful Motivator or Philosophy Pulse. Pick one that sounds catchy and fits your content. Writing a channel description with AI. Your channel description tells people what your videos are about. Ask ChatGPT. Write a description for a motivational and philosophical YouTube channel. The AI might generate something like, "Welcome to your channel name, where we explore motivation and deep thinking. Join us for inspiring videos to elevate your mind and spirit." Creating a profile picture with AI. For a professional look, use Leonardo AI to generate a profile picture. First, ask ChatGPT for an image prompt, such as a wise old tree symbolizing growth and knowledge. Paste the prompt into Leonardo AI. Generate an image and choose your favorite. AI makes starting a channel faster, easier, and more creative. Section 3. Content creation. Creating awesome videos starts with a great script. A script is like a roadmap for your video. It tells you where to start, where to go, and how to end. A good script keeps your viewers interested from beginning to end. Importance of a good script. A good script makes sure that your video has a clear message. It helps you tell your story in a way that's easy to understand and fun to watch. This means more people will watch your video, like it, and share it with others. Using AI to generate scripts. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT to help write your scripts. These tools can look at popular videos similar to what you want to make and suggest ideas that really connect with viewers. For example, if you tell ChatGPT you want to make a video about how to stay positive, it can create a script that includes important points and interesting ways to explain them. Creating voiceovers and visuals. Voiceovers with 11 Labs. For the voiceover, use a tool like 11 Labs. It lets you choose a voice that matches the mood of your video and turns your script into audio. Just type in your script, and 11 Labs will read it out loud for you, making your video sound professional. Visuals with Leonardo AI. To make your video look good, use Leonardo AI to create images and animations. Tell it what you need, like a happy sun rising behind a mountain, and it will make an image that fits your video perfectly. By using these tools, you can make videos that look and sound just as good as the ones made by big YouTube channels, even if you're just starting out. Editing and assembling the video. Once you have your script, voiceover, and visuals, it's time to put everything together. This is called editing, and it's where your video really takes shape. Basic video editing techniques. 1. Choose the right software. Use beginner-friendly tools like CapCut or iMovie, which are simple but powerful. 2. Import your files. Bring all your voiceovers, images, and animations into the editing software. Arrange your clips. Drag and drop them on the timeline in the correct order to match your script. 4. Cut and trim. Remove any unnecessary parts to keep your video smooth and engaging. Add transitions. Use fade-ins, crossfades, or simple wipes to make your video look polished. Adding background music and syncing audio with visuals. 1. Choose the right music. Find free background music on Pixabay or YouTube's audio library that matches the mood of your video. 2. Place music on timeline. Adjust where it starts and stops to fit perfectly with your visuals. 3. Sync audio with video. Make sure the voiceover matches the visuals. If talking about a sunrise, show a sunrise at that moment. Adjust volumes. Keep the background music low so it doesn't overpower your voice. With these steps, your video will look professional and engaging. Once your video is ready, it's time to share it with the world. Uploading your video to YouTube is simple. 1. Log in and upload. Sign into your YouTube account. Click on the camera icon with a plus sign and select Upload Video. Then, follow the steps to upload your video file. 2. Title and description. Give your video a catchy title that tells viewers what it's about. Write a clear description that includes keywords related to your video. Keywords help people find your video when they search for topics like yours. Tags. Add tags related to your video's content. Tags are like little labels that help YouTube understand what your video is about and show it to the right people. Monetization strategies beyond ad revenue. Don't just rely on money from ads. Explore other ways to make money from your videos. Affiliate marketing. You can earn commissions by promoting products in your videos. Sign up for affiliate programs related to your video topics and include affiliate links in your video descriptions. Multiple income streams. Think about other income options like sponsorships, selling merchandise, or offering exclusive content to subscribers through platforms like Patreon. Remember, the more ways you can make money from your videos, the better. So keep learning and trying new things to maximize your success on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.